Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you how to use your Wise card in Store. Alright, so firstly of course sign up for the account in Wise, log in into your account, and the process is basically very simple. After that, just make sure that you actually create and receive the Wise card in your Wise application. After that, the process is as simple as adding your usual bank card into your Google Wallet on Android. And basically let's open up our wallet now. Alright, and this is basically the wallet application, and you can easily add your Wise card into your Google Wallet, and then just whenever you want to pay with it, enable NFC. As you can see, NFC is disabled. Just enable NFC, and then you will be able to easily pay with your card by using your phone or your physical Wise card in the store like this very easily. Thank you guys for watching this small tutorial. If you liked it, like and subscribe, and I will see you very soon.